the system to take a pen, for example. And in a situation like this, if the patient is a patient with the ability to control the shoulder and the elbow, is a patient able to do something related to real life and to try to control and to use it and to plan. Then means that when we discuss about the fact that we have a lot of different possibilities, means that it's possible to try to use in a different way all the facilities that we have, or maybe depending on the experience of the patient or depending on the need of the patient, because, for example, maybe an excellent way to try to take a glass. Maybe possible to use the system in this way, to take a glass, look the difficulty to grasp, and try to put the glass in another one. Then means that in a situation like this, you are performing exercise for the hand, but in the same time for the shoulder, you are performing exercise in terms of orientation. Maybe that it's possible to produce exercise with different color, with different tests to try to check if the patient is able to check a different color and to use different color during the exercise. Or maybe possible to try to increase the complexity of the exercise using something like this. That means that we start discussing about a system able to move just as a passive movement, the hand. But looking at the system in this way, it's okay. It's not the movement of the hand of the patient, but it's not just passive. You have a lot of participation of the patient to this kind of exercise. Then it's very important to change. Maybe that you have to change the posture of the patient during the exercise, because we use to follow the patient in sitting position, but we try to use exactly the same system in standing position too, with or without any aids for the standing position, to try to check what happened in terms of trunk control and upper limb control, and to change the condition of the patient depending on the situation that you have to face.